Once you've created a table in your database, the next step would be to create fields in that table. To create a field, click on the Tables4Act menu at the top and Manage Custom Tables again. If you have multiple tables, you can select them from the drop-down over here, and then finally click on the Create Field link to create fields in that table. And much like the standard Act field creation wizard, you can type in a field name, select the field type, and also select some of the additional properties here. Since this is a software table, it would make sense to have some place to record serial numbers. So we'll just create a serial number field. We'll just leave it as character, and we would also like to generate history when a value is changed in that field. If you wish to attach a drop-down to that link, you can also do that from here. And you can see it will give you the available drop-downs in your database. And if you wish to create a new drop-down, you can do that by clicking the Manage Drop-Down List link. And from here you can create a new drop-down and link to that field. In this case, we will not need a drop-down, and we'll just hit Next. We can type in the field length, let's say 25 characters, and hit Next, and then once you confirm and hit Next again, it will create the field in the database. We'll hit Finish to return to the software table, and you can see our new field is displayed at the bottom. And we'll just create one more field, let's say download link. Now this would make sense if it is a URL field, and you will give it 200 characters. Okay, and we'll create one more field with the software name, and in this case we'll link it to a drop-down. We'll create a new drop-down. We'll call it Software Names, and we'll give it a few values here. Very simple: Software 1, Software 2, and Software 3. Hit Finish and then close that, and now our newly created software names drop-down is available, and we'll link it to that field. Hit Next, and we'll say Limit to List and enable Type Ahead. Finish, and now we have 3 fields in our new table. To edit a existing field, select it from the list, let's say serial number, and click on Edit Field. And here you can change certain properties. Let's say we'll rename it a little bit, and we'll take off the Generate History on Field Change, and we'll hit Next to save the field changes. And now you can see the field has been renamed, and simply hit Close to return back to Act. And now if we look at our software table, you can see these fields are available. We can click on Customize Columns to add or remove any fields that we like, and move them around if we want. Hit Apply, and that's it.